Hi, I'm Jerry with seaeagle.com with a short tutorial on how to repair an inflatable boat. Modern inflatables are very durable, so seldom need repair. But should you need to make a repair, it is fast and easy. To teach you how to repair a boat, I'll first need to make a hole. If you need to find the leak, coat your boat with soapy water and look for bubbles and listen for air escaping. Once you've found your leak, dry the area and mark the spot with a pencil. Now deflate the boat entirely. For a small hole such as this, trace the outline of a penny onto the patch material and cut out the patch with a pair of scissors. Here's a pro tip for a super clean patch. Cut out a corresponding hole in a piece of masking tape and place the tape over the hole. Place a uniform layer of glue on the patch and to the boat in the area of the leak. Then remove the tape. For best results, heat the glue up with a hairdryer. Place the patch over the affected area and press it down to remove any air pockets. After waiting 24 hours for the glue to cure, re-inflate the boat. For other helpful videos, click on our subscribe link, and see you out on the water.